thank you so much for watching. Today we are opening up Glossybox for April 2020. I have not peeked inside yet or watched any videos, so I'm super excited to see what we have this month. If you don't know what Glossybox is, it is a monthly beauty subscription. It costs $21 per month or a little bit less if you purchase multiple months at a time, like a 3, 6, or 12-month plan. I do have a code. It's not affiliated. It's just to help you guys out that will save you 22% on your first box. So I'm going to link Glossybox down below, and I'll also list that code. I believe it's just my name. I'll put it here on the screen and again down below, like I said. So if you're interested in subscribing, all of that will be there for you. You get 5 beauty products every month, and it always comes in this pink box. It's really nice and sturdy, like compared to the other boxes I get, so you can definitely repurpose this for something. And when you get it in the mail, it comes in an outer packaging, and inside the box are also like these little coupons that came inside, like one for $80 off HelloFresh, and then a $100 wine voucher. Yum. But anyways, yeah, I think that's everything we need to know. Let's get started. When I open up the box, this is what it looks like. So there's a pretty card right on top. It's all wrapped up. It looks like the theme for April is Blossom. How beautiful. Loving the colors. I'm really into like the florals today. I have like a floral print dress, new headband. I got both these in the mail today and I love them. This is what the inside looks like. I'll try not to spoil anything and just read the little note here from the editors or the curator of the box. So it says, ring in the spring glossies. Did you miss the flowers, the sun, and the start of events for the upcoming seasons? We did too. And that's where our April Glossybox comes in, Blossom. Our Blossom edit is here for the start of new beginnings and the warm moments we get to share with our friends and family. Enjoy this blooming beauty selection alongside office happy hours, bridal showers, Easter brunches, and start preparing for summer. They probably made this before everything started. Hopefully soon. I would love a happy hour. We hope you are as excited for the spring as we are in this month's box full of treats and delights as we blossom into the upcoming season. Ooh, I'm so excited. So the items are all wrapped up here. I didn't really do that pretty, but here is a sneak peek. I'm gonna grab the biggest thing I see here in the middle, and yes, when I saw this shape bottle, I was like, please be dry shampoo, please be dry shampoo, and it is. I am in need of some new ones. I'm almost done with my last bottle. This is by Colab, dry shampoo, original fragrance, amazing oil absorption without white residue. So this is what the bottle looks like. I've never tried this one before, and this is definitely full size. You get 200 milliliters or 6.7 fluid ounces. And let's read a little bit more about it. Yep, it confirms this is full size, of course. And the retail value of this is $5.49. Wow, that's great. So if I want to repurchase this, it's affordable. Usually when I want to repurchase something, it's like so expensive, but that's a good price for dry shampoo. I think that's even cheaper than Batiste. So they give a little description for each item, and then they also give a tip. So for the Colab original dry shampoo, it says, ain't nobody got time for a full wash as baby showers, Easter, wedding panels, conferences, planning kick in. That's where this award-winning dry shampoo saves the in-between wash days, all the oil absorption, no white residue. And for the tip, it says, want a little extra lift, flip your hair upside down, spritz and massage the shampoo into your hair. It's like the new bend and snap method. Oh, I can't wait to use this. Next up, we have something here by Avant. This brand is very expensive. This is the Avant Gentle Rose Beautifying Face Exfoliant, and you get 50 milliliters or 1.69 fluid ounces. I believe this is full size, or let's see, oh no, they call this a deluxe mini. So, wow, and the retail value for this is $114. Now I'm thinking they mean this size here because, yeah, like I said, their products are super expensive. They do have good ingredient lists too, which is a good thing, because sometimes like luxury skincare brands that are really expensive can have a lot of added fragrance. They do have some added fragrance in this, but it is far down on the list, and since this is a facial exfoliant, you wash it off your face, so that does not bother me. So the Gentle Rose Beautifying Face Exfoliant by Avant. It says hydrate intensely and smooth wrinkles with this double duty face exfoliant that leaves the skin soft and supple thanks to its blend of rose and vitamin B5. Make sure you use this on a weekly, not daily basis to not over irritate your skin. I totally agree with that. I used to use physical exfoliants twice a week, but that was a little too much, so I did drop down to once weekly. I use chemical exfoliants more often, about 3 times a week. So yeah, I'm excited to try this out. I believe I might have this already, but I have not yet tried it. And I really like the other products I use by them. I have a primer that has collagen in it. I use that every now and then. I also have an overnight sleeping mask, and I've liked everything I've tried so far. So yeah, can't wait to get some use out of this. And since it's so expensive, I know I wouldn't get to try it otherwise unless I received it in a box. Oh, it looks like they included a little extra treat here. This is by Inked by Dani, temporary tattoos, hand-drawn and cruelty-free. Oh, and look, they're all floral. That's actually pretty cute. And they say this is full size. Oh wow, this retail value is $12.99. And it says, okay, so this bonus item is my personal fave, and it's not because it's flowers. Temporary tattoos are a symbol of the beautiful yet fleeting moments that come during spring. With 21 designs, you can customize your arms, legs, or other places for a signature look that's all you for the moments that matter. And then tip, how long do you hold the damp cloth over the tattoo paper? About 60 seconds or more for maximum staying power. Again, this is what it looks like. I couldn't tell you last time I used a temporary tattoo. Where should I put it? Maybe I'll like surprise you guys in another video soon and have it somewhere. See if you guys can tell. Ooh, I'm excited about this. I just took off my nail polish and I need to do my nails tonight. We have a nail polish here by Be Your Incredible Self with Nails Ink. And this is in the shade Blossom Kisses, and it is a beautiful pink shade. Oh, so pretty. I'm totally gonna use this later. Normally I wouldn't get so excited with nail polishes. I've said this several times, sorry if I'm being repetitive in other videos, but now that I'm at home, I'm doing my own nails. I never used to, and now I really love getting new colors. This is beautiful too. I'm all about the pinks. So full size retail value is $11, and it says ring in the spring with this cute nail polish from Nails Incorporated, a brand with focus on innovation and how beauty makes us feel. We thought this was a perfect match for this box because being cruelty-free and fitting is a spring color. Also, it's pink. Need we say more? It says, for light colors like this, 2 to 3 coats is the golden window for even color on the nails. And again, here is that beautiful color. Next up, we have a sample here of Flowerbomb. I love this perfume. I actually have this sample size. Let me show you. It's adorable. So this perfume is by Victor and Rolf. And I love mini perfume bottles. How freaking cute is this? It smells so good. I haven't put perfume on yet today, so let's put a little bit on. This is seriously like the perfect spring scent. It's like floral, but not overly powering floral, or like not like cheap smelling floral. It's just a beautiful scent. I wish I could describe it better. Let's see if they have a description here. So the Flowerbomb Nectar by Victor and Rolf. This perfume takes the essence of Victor and Rolf's bestseller Flowerbomb to a whole new level. Black currant and bergamot top notes, a jasmine and orange flower center, and a vanilla, patchouli oil, and benzoin base create a sensual impression that lingers all day long. Oh, so I didn't even realize it was the Flowerbomb Nectar. I didn't know there was 2 different perfumes. I was just thinking it was a Flowerbomb. I really like this. And for the tip, it says, best places to spray the perfume are your wrists, necks, and the hair for extra oomph. But don't do all of them at once. Pick one area and let the scent spread the rest of the day. And this deluxe mini, like, it's pretty small, but this still has a retail value of $23.69 because the full size, which is 1.7 ounces, is $120. Fragrance is really pricey, so I'm happy to get it. And this will last a while. Even though it is small, you get a lot of product in there since you only need a few drops. And if you're curious about the size, there's 0.24 fluid ounces or 7 milliliters. It looks like we have one more item. And wow, what beautiful packaging. CIREM HCR 3-in-1 sheet mask. Look, it's like marble looking. Fancy. So what does HCR mean? Oh, I think that's indicating what ingredients are in here. Cool. So it says, with CIREM's HCR 3-in-1 facial sheet mask, you can revitalize, refresh, and restore with just one step. Retinol helps to immediately transform dead to vitalized skin, as vitamin C brightens and boosts luminosity, and hyaluronic acid plumps and hydrates. Just like their serum, this facial sheet mask acts as an instant triple threat for visible signs of aging, dehydration, and dullness. And with their rapid absorption technology, this unique mask formula is quickly delivered into the skin for a dramatically nourished finishing touch for any skincare routine. And this brand says it is never tested on animals. Wow, I don't think I've ever used a sheet mask that had retinol in it. I'm excited to try this out. So I believe we could have received a variation for the sheet mask, because on here it's saying Vitamesk's Ruby sheet mask, and this one it says it's $7, which would be a good price for a sheet mask. I mean, usually they're a little bit less, but this has a lot of good active ingredients. Retinol, vitamin C, and hyaluronic acid. I'm super excited to try this out. All right, so let's just do a quick recap. I thought this box was great. We received a full-size dry shampoo, something I really needed, and we received this really bougie, expensive skincare item by Avant. And the Flowerbomb Nectar smells so good. I will definitely get use out of that, and I will totally be painting my nails tonight in this pink color. I love it. It's like a pinkish purple color. It's just so perfect for spring. It's so beautiful. And then we had an extra item, these little temporary tattoos, which I think is cute and fun, and a sheet mask with great ingredients, so I'm excited to try that out. So that was everything. Again, Glossybox will be linked down below along with that promo code. I would love to hear your thoughts. Did you think this was a good box? I think it was. Yeah, please leave a comment down below, and thank you so much for being here and watching. I hope you are all doing well, safe, and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.